Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Kim. If you are new, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out any of my future video. So today I'm gonna do this nail set using Makartt product and the gel polish from Pewete. Hopefully I pronounce it right. So right now I'm gonna unboxing the gel polish that they sent it to me, and they are absolutely beautiful. And the first one I open up is this set right here. It comes in 6 color and they are all glitter. And here their instruction manual, they have the question and answer if you have any question, and they come with an instruction manual with a picture, really easy to understand. So the first one is this purple glitter, and is absolutely beautiful. I really love this glitter that come with this kit. And here is the second one. This one probably my favorite out of all of the color in this kit, and I really love it. I feel a little bit sad because today I didn't use this glitter for my nail design, but I definitely gonna come back and do another video using this product because all this glitter, they are all so beautiful and the price is really affordable. If you guys are interested, I will link it down below, all of the link of this gel polish if you wanted to try them out. They do have like different set too. So this second one is come with 12 gel, and I believe is 9 color, and 3 of them is the base coat, and the non-wipe top coat, the shiny, and the matte top coat. So the same thing, it come with the instruction manual, and I really love the packaging of this set. And then the bottle is like black and gold. It make it look really beautiful. I love it so much. So the first color, it looked like a white color to me. So most of this color here is more like a pastel color, and they are all absolutely beautiful. I really love it, and definitely gonna use it in a future video. Today I didn't use all the color that come with this set, but I used 4 of them because I'm gonna do some marble design, and they are all beautiful. Like I really love it. I know you get my tired of me repeating beautiful, but they actually absolutely pretty. Yeah, I love it so much. That's why I keep repeating beautiful. So you can see they all come with blue, purple, pink, yellow, teal color, and some baby pink, like a nude color. This one is really nice. And here is the 3 bottle of base coat and the 2 top coat, 1 shiny and matte. So today video I already prepped my nail off camera because I'm unboxing. I don't want to make the video too long, and I'm just gonna applying some base coat on top of my nail. And the consistency of this base coat, I actually really likes it. It's not too thin but not too thick, so it didn't really run in the cuticle area. And when I cure my nail, the heat spike wasn't that bad at all. And I'm also gonna use this dual form I got from Amazon. This is my favorite dual form so far lately. I tend to really love it. I use it a lot lately. So I'm signing out all my nail. When it comes to dual form, making sure you sign them fit your nail right from sidewall to sidewall. But if you are using polygel, I do recommend you should wrap for one side bigger, because when you are applying the polygel, they tend to adding like the layer of the polygel make the nail kind of pop up, you know. So when you place on your nail, they might not gonna fit after you put the polygel. So if you will go one side bigger, that will be definitely better. It will fit your nail better. So today I'm using this Makartt polygel, the name Daydream, and I really love this color. It's a really nice nude, and it's a 50 ml, so it's super big, and it will last me for a really long time. So I noticed that with Makartt Polygel, I do love to use the 91% alcohol as a slip solution. Somehow the alcohol and Makartt Polygel work really great, because the Polygel is more on the stiff side, and the alcohol kind of, pat it out. Whatever you place it stay in place. It doesn't move, it doesn't get sticky. So here's a thumb, the first one I do, and something about popping up the dual form, it makes me feel really satisfied. And I go ahead and repeat the same thing to the rest of the nail. So today set is nothing different crazy when I do the nail Polygel. This gonna be the same thing with all the nail in nude. And when it comes to do this way, just make sure that you pat the Polygel on the side of the nail. Don't miss any spot, because if you do, when you pop the nail off, you can see the nail really thin on the side, and we don't want that. We don't want the nail to break, because it happened to me on the pinky, and I have to end up soak it off and do it again because the side of the nail didn't have enough Polygel. So just keep in mind, make sure that you pat them out on the side. And this is my favorite part, popping up the dual form. And especially when you pop it up, the nail come out so smooth and so nice. It just feels so satisfying. And here how they are look like. They're already looking nice, even I haven't filed them yet. So I'm just gonna use some alcohol wipe to wipe off the stickiness of the nail before file the nail. Today I'm not applying any top coat underneath the nail because I'm not doing any clear nail, and I already wiped off the sticky layer, so it will be okay without the top coat underneath. I'm just going straight to file my nail. There's not much to do, just the tip area and on the side of the nail. And with the Polygel, I really love it because it's really easy to file. The Polygel is way softer than the acrylic powder, so it's really easy to file, even if you file just hand file. But I like to use the e-file around the cuticle area just to smooth them out, make them look more natural, like a sculpted nail, instead of, you can tell if you do the dual form one, the cuticle area tend to not really nice fleshing, so we need to do that step. And here how the nail look like after being buff and shaped. And I'm just gonna apply the top coat on the whole nail before I'm starting to do the design. So today design, I'm just gonna do some marble nail using the gel color that came with the kit I opened up earlier, and just to playing around with it. I actually have a lot of fun doing this nail because the color absolutely so cute and beautiful. It gives me a really relaxing vibe just to look at it. It give me a really calm, relaxing, nothing really crazy, but it actually really cute. So I'm just gonna place the color right next to each other right here. At first I just use 3 color, but then later on I'm come back and add 1 more color. So after I place them down, I just use a small brush and go back and forth just to create a marble look. And I just use right here I'm using base coat, but you can use the blooming gel, because I can tell the blooming gel work best when it comes to this kind of design, because the blooming gel kind of spread the color out beautifully. The base coat work great too, but it's not as beautiful as the blooming gel. So in this thumbnail, I'm just gonna spread them on the side of the middle of the nail, and I just spread them out. And I wait like around maybe 10-20 seconds before I start to cure the nail, just to give it time to the color spread out with the marble effect. So with this middle finger I using the blooming gel, and it absolutely come out nicer than the thumbnails. And the brand I use, I got it from the nail supply, so I don't have the link for it. That's why I didn't show the bottle. But you can absolutely using any blooming gel you have on hand. They all work the same way. And I really love how the ring finger and the pinky, when I do it on the tip area, just the side of the tip, somehow I really love how the way they look like that. And don't forget to wipe up the gel on the side of the nail, because we're adding a lot of polish, so we don't want it to losing the shape of the nail. So after I'm curing all the nail, and I noticed that I feel like it's missing something, even it was 3 color, but the purple and the pink somehow they blend together, look kind of like the same. So I go ahead and apply the blooming gel again, and adding this teal color in the middle of all of them. And I actually really love it how they turn out. It's a really it was a right choice for me to add this color in. And here how they are look like after I curing the nails. But I'm not gonna stop here yet. I'm also gonna use some foil. This one I got from Nail Couture, and something about this foil make the design of the nail pop out, because this color is more like a pastel color, so it's not at super bright. So by having this foil gel, the foil to place it on the line where the color at, make the design pop out more. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the rest of the nail, just around a side where on the side where the color at. And thank you everyone for being here today and watching my video. I'm really appreciate it. It been a lot of support from you guys, and I'm really happy for all of your comment, all of your like on my video. That give me a lot of you guys encourage me, give me that strength to keep going and keep doing the nail and post it up more often. It's been a hard month for me. My kid, they got sick, I think because of weather changing from hot to cold, so they get sick easily, and then I twist my ankle. But yeah, I mean, because of you guys supporting me, I can able to keep going and keep doing the nail video and post it up. So I hope you guys likes the video today, and comment down below, let me know what do you guys think. Do you like something like this, something really soft and calm, but it's still really beautiful. Okay, just a reminder, right now Makartt have a lot of great sale going on right now this month, and it will end on October 31st. If you are interested in Makartt product, I will link it down below if you got interesting, and also use my code Nail by Kim for the extra 15% off. So total you save 75% off. Me, I took advantage myself too. I bought a lot of great product from Makartt this month, and I definitely gonna have a nail haul video coming up next. So I hope you guys were interested in that, and stay tuned for that. I will definitely post it in a few days. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell notification so you won't miss out my video. I do know you guys like the nail haul video on my channel a lot. So I got a lot of goodie from Nail Couture, Cherry Ave, Makartt for sure, from Etsy. No, I think Vesti. Yeah, they have a lot of good product too. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.